Hawaii Island Region, Alapaki Nahalea, and University of Hawaii System Vice President Deborah Halbert will now award a special posthumous degree.
Aloha, aloha, aloha. I share with you all today some thoughts that I shared with Auntie Edith Ohana last week Saturday on Edith Kanaka ole Day. Given the town we're in and the facility we're in, this is an especially important part of our program. When I start my car, my audio system picks up my cell phone. I still don't know how that works, but it does it. And this is the song that plays for me. Auntie Edith's incredible voice greets me. It's so inviting, it's so compelling, it's so rich. And I didn't program my car to pick up that song. I wouldn't know how. And it's not the first song in my playlist. It just started happening. And of all the artists in the universe that could have chosen to greet me when I start to go somewhere, there could be none better. Because Auntie Edith sang and sings, literally and figuratively, in a way that not only teaches, she inspires. She delivers sacred knowledge, life-affirming and perpetuating knowledge, in a way that is both powerful and reverent, while also being accessible and joyful. This attribute is one of the reasons Auntie Edith had such a great impact, a lasting impact. She possessed the power not only to inform, but to transform. And as powerful and catalytic as Auntie Edith's accomplishments were in her lifetime, the abundance of great teachers and leaders that she lifted up is perhaps her greatest achievement. And I know many of you here today. Because of them, because of all of you, the exponential impact of her work, who she was, and how she walked the earth reverberates as loudly today as when she was here in her physical form. The Kanaka ole, Kanahele, Ohana, and my Ohana have many ties to iokohala, to kupuna, to mele, to education, and to aloha aina. And I'd like to give her Ohana a deep mahalo for accepting the heavy kuleana that she gave to you, and to handling it day after day with strength, grace, and resilience. All that you do each and every day, seen and unseen, to perpetuate her knowledge and her spirit is why we have her precious gift in the Hawaii that we love in the world. Should be deeply appreciative. In closing, I'd like to suggest that the best way to honor Auntie Edith is to learn and follow her example. She teaches us the kind of humans we can be. She modeled for us the kind of humans we should be. And she calls on us to be the kind of humans we need to be, especially today. And as her Ohana shows, that is indeed possible. So, without further ado, it's especially humbling and special for me to be here with Vice President Halbert to present to her Ohana. On behalf of the administration, faculty, staff, and students of the University of Hawaii, the Board of Regents is proud to confer the degree of Honorary Doctor of Humane Letters upon Kuma Edith Kekuhikuhipu uoneonāali iokohala Kenao Kanaka ole on this 13th day of May, 2023. E ola ka ohana Kanaka ole, aloha wau kou, aloha.